Everyone, welcome to the mass point geometry class. So this concept takes its inspiration from the concept of torque in physics. So before moving on, let me explain it to you using an example. So consider a seesaw such that it is pivoted exactly at its center and the length on either sides are equal. Now if a load of 10 kgs is applied on the left hand side, what should be the load on the right hand side such that the seesaw remains stable? So this is a pretty easy question, and that is 10 kgs, and the total load at the center would be 10 plus 10, that is 20 kgs. Now consider another example where the pivot is slightly away from the center. Let this length on the left hand side be 2 meters and that on the right hand side be 5 meters, and if a load of 10 kg is applied on the left hand side, what should be the load here on the right hand side such that the seesaw remains stable? Now let's consider this load to be x kgs here. So we have to balance the torque on either sides for the seesaw to remain stable. That is, the torque from from the left hand side should be equal to the torque from the right hand side. So that is, the torque is 10 into 2 should be equal to the load x into 5. So x, the value of x will be equal to 4. So 4 kgs. So the value of x is 4 kgs. 4 kgs. So what is the total load at the center? The total load at the center will be 10 plus 4, so that is 14 kgs. So what is needed to be noted here is that the ratio of loads, that is 10 divided by 4, is proportional to the ratio of lengths of the opposite end. That is, 10 will be proportional to 5. So that is 5 by, on the opposite end, that is 2. So 10 by 4 is proportional to 5 by 2. So that is what is the core concept of this theorem. So moving ahead, let's solve a problem. In a triangle ABC, points D and E are on BC and AC respectively. If AD and BE intersect at point F, so this is the point F at the center, so such that AF is to FD is equal to 4 is to 1 and BD is to DC is 2 is to 1, then find the ratio, that is the ratio AE is to EC and BF is to BE. Problem. So we are given that the ratio of BD is to DC is in the range 2 is to 1 and the ratio of AF is to FD is 4 is to 1. Now let's consider BC as a seesaw with D being the pivot. So if we consider the load at B to be equal to X, so what should be the load at C? So we know that the load at B, if it is X into the length of BD is 2, so that is 2, should be equal to the length here 1 into, let the load at C be equal to Y. So here Y will be equal to 2x. So that is, this value at C is 2x. So we know the value here, we know the value at B. So the net value at D will be equal to 2x plus x, that is 3x. So the value is 3x at D. Now considering the length AF and FD. Now we know the ratio there, the ratio is 4 is to 1. So this is 4 and this is 1. So 4 is to 1. Now if the load at D is 3x, what should be the load at F? So we know that 3x into 1 should be equal to 4 into whatever the load at A is. Let's consider it to be Z. So Z is equal to 3x divided by 4. Now if we consider the value of x to be a multiple of 4, then the value of z becomes a whole number. So let's assume x to be equal to 4. So if x is 4, z will be equal to 3. So the value at A will be equal to 3. So this is 3. So then the value of at B will be equal to 4 because it is x. The value at C will be equal to 8, and the value at D will be 4 3s are 12. So they're asking us for the value of AE is to EC. So the ratio of AE is to EC will be equal to that of the loads at the opposite end. So AE will be 8, so that is 8 EC will be 3. So 8 is to 3 will be our answer. Now one more, the second part of the question is what is the value of BF is to BE. Before that, let's find the ratio BF divided by BFE. So to find the value at F, so what is the value at E? So that is 8 plus 3, so this will be 11. So the value at F will be 11 plus 4, so that is 15. So the ratio BF is to FE. BF will be proportional to 11, so that is 11, and FE will be proportional to 4, so that is 11 by 4. So the value of BF by BE will be equal to 11 divided by the whole length, that is BE will be equal to 15, so that is 15. So this is the required answer.